future United States Air Force meteorological satellite plans are beginning to take shape, but focus on improving information technology, cybersecurity and small satellites in the short term instead of a new generation of large spacecraft and sophisticated to replace the Satellite Defense Meteorology Program. This is largely due to budgetary constraints and the fact that accurate forecasting, although fundamental for military operations, is not the main mission of the service, according to current and previous government officials who requested not to be cited. In a competition between buying some extra F-35s or weather satellites, there's no doubt. However, the Air Force is moving forward with plans to buy satellites to meet its microwave, electro-optical and infrared requirements. The Systems Center Space and Missile Air Force awarded Ball Aerospace Technologies Corp. a contract in November to build 2 satellites equipped with passive microwave imaging radiometers and energy charge particle sensors to send them to Earth's lower orbit. The Air Force plans to include energy-charged particle sensors on all future satellites to improve its observations of space weather. To close the gap created by the end of operations of the Defense Meteorological Satellite 19, the Air Force plans to work with the Pentagon's Operationally Sensitive Space Office to launch a small satellite with electro-optical and infrared images in 2021 or 2022 to characterize the clouds. Due to the rapid timeline of this gap-filling program, companies would have approximately 2 years to build the passive microwave imaging radiometer. Harris Corporation is one of the companies eager to do that. Harris would build it by relying on the inheritance of the image generators he built for the Polar Operational Environmental Satellites of the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Said Eric Webster, Vice President and General Manager of Environmental Solutions at Harris. In addition, the Air Force began requesting proposals on November 27 from the industry for meteorological system tracking satellites equipped with instruments to characterize clouds and provide images in combat theaters. The first satellite of this new electro-optical/infrared tracking satellite weather satellite WSFE would be launched around 2024 and, like DMSP,